Okay, teachers, I wanted to set up a way to show you how to add to the Google Calendar for the AP testing. So if you go to our school website, you can find our on the advanced placement page. So the Google one is going to load right in this main section right here. As we continue to load and build, just depending on how quick your internet connection is, you'll see it. But you'll see the things will start to load. It'll highlight the days here. You can go check out the next month as things get added to it. I'll have the tutoring sessions put in as well. But the quickest way to add to it is you can use a Google account if you're familiar with it, and you would just simply do that by clicking down here and add to the Google Calendar. But I'm going to show you a different way to be able to do that from the school website. So if you go to the upper right hand corner, you're going to sign into the school website. And when you go back to this page here, I actually have the calendar as a separate page here. So this is one for the school. It's not as added, but it's an easy way to add to the Google Calendar because it automatically updates. So once you get to this page, so again, the AP tutoring one at the bottom, you can go here, go to Site Manager, and then when you're in Site Manager, it's going to bring up this calendar page again, and yours might look a little different depending on what you have access to, but it's this AP tutoring and test preparation that's shared with everybody already. So you would click that, and you would add a new event, and we'll just add one for, say, this upcoming Sunday so it stands out. And again, you can call it test event. You can note what time of day it is, 9 a.m., all day. You can even set it up if you were going to do a number of days reoccurring. So weekly, it'll tell you what day it's on currently, but you can pick Sundays. I want this to go for 2 weeks and every 10 occurrences, or a date to end by. Registration, you don't have to really worry about. Post to calendars, we don't really need to worry about that. And you just click save. Oops, sorry, I forgot to enter my event title. This is a test event. That's our main title. My apologies. So you save, working, and then it'll load. And there you go. So there's our test event. It'll show. It's already saved, so you don't need to do anything beyond there. And if we close out of there, so you can use this to add your other events. So that's just working within our school calendar. And if I went back to the overview page where the Google Calendar is, you'll see that it's pretty instant. So it will actually update right away. So there's our test event. So it's linked right to that. So if you wanted to use that instead of going to Google, you can do that as well. If you're linked to the Google Calendar, which you should all be, it should pull up like this, and you'll be able to see this page. There's a chance when you go to edit my calendars, you might need to select your calendar or add it. So when I go to edit my calendar, I'm going to go to create an event. And again, I would title it test event. And it's about 1 p.m. And again, you can make it a repeating event on a certain date, however you wanted to run it. So we'll say it ends on that date. Event location. It'd be nice if everyone added their event location. So if it was, B235 is where my office is, so I'd say that. Here I have a couple of calendars, so you just want to make sure it's the ERHS AP Tutoring calendar. And you're available busy. You don't need to invite others or see guest lists, so don't worry about that. Save. And if we were to go to the 10th, there's our test event. So there. And if we go back to our school calendar, you won't see it just yet, but if you refresh, there you go. There's our test event. So you can either do it through the school or through Google Calendars. Either way, you should be all set and ready to go. Hopefully that really answers your question.